Hello guys, welcome to your Python tutorial videos. In this video, we are going to be looking at the introduction to Python dictionaries. So unlike lists, strings, and tuples, dictionaries are some kind of a hash table, where you put some kind of hashes, you put in key value pairs into your dictionary. So it's different from sequence. A dictionary is not a sequence. It's usually known as a hashable type, you understand? So dictionaries are quite different from sequences, and I'm going to be explaining that to you now. If you're familiar with PHP, dictionaries are like associative arrays, while if you're familiar with a language like Perl, dictionaries are like hashes. And if you're familiar with a language like maybe JavaScript, dictionaries are like JavaScript objects, JSON. So now, to input items to a dictionary using key value pairs, you must specify a key when adding items to a dictionary. And if you want to remove items if you want to obtain an item from a dictionary, you must use the key which you use to add it. It means you need to know the key you use to add an item in order to retrieve that item. So to retrieve an item from a dictionary, you use the key of the item with the index operator. That's with the square brackets like you do in lists, okay? But you can't use indexes. You can't get items based on indexes because dictionaries are on ordered data set, which means the items are not ordered in the way in which you put them. When you declare the dictionary, items are not ordered, so you can't use the index operator with dictionary. The operator, what you place within the index operator is the key of the value which you want to retrieve. So dictionaries are on ordered data type and they're not arranged in an orderly manner. So they are not sequences, and you can't use the index and the slice operator the way you do with sequences like strings, lists, and tuples. So Python dictionaries are mutable, which means you can add items to a dictionary and you can remove items from a dictionary using the key. Now, dictionaries, here are examples of dictionaries. Dictionaries are enclosed in curly braces. As you can see here, you see we have a key first, then followed by a colon and the value. So in this case, we have an item with a key name, the value Emmanuel, a key age, the value is 50, a key 1, the value is 1, a key 2, the value is the string 2, and a key dict, and the value is a dictionary. Now, the key of a dictionary can be any value, a string, or any let's say immutable type. So it can be a string, it can be a number, it can be a tuple. Like if you have not watched our older videos, you can watch them to understand the meaning of immutability and mutability. In this case, you see we have a key of 2, which is a number. In this case, we have a key of 4.5, which is a float. And in this case, you see we have a key of 246, which is a tuple. So a key can be any immutable data type, while the value can be any data type in Python. As you see here, we have a value which is a dictionary and the rest. So a value can be any data type, but a key can only be a mutable data type. But most times the key used with dictionaries are strings or numbers. You hardly see other types used. So in this case, for example, we want to obtain the name value. We use the key name, it will return Emmanuel. Here we use the key 2, it will return the string 2, which is the value. Here we use the key 404, it will return the Boolean value true. Here we use the key 246, it will return the string evens. As you can see here, you see Emmanuel 2, true, and even. So when you want to obtain a value from a dictionary, you use this key. All right, let's move forward. As you can see also, here is a dictionary. We use the key dict. We are going to get the dictionary. We use the key age. We are going to get the age. Where's age? Yeah, we are going to get the number 50, and we use the key 4.5. We are going to get 4.5. As you can see, here is it. We have the dictionary with the dict key. We have this with the age key, and we have 4.5, the string with this other key. Now, here's another dictionary which is quite long. So as you can see, we use var3. We print it out. We print var3 name. We print var3 age, and we print var3 verified. As you can see, the key name has the value Brandon. The key age has the value 45. The key verified has the value false. As you can see from here, verified is false. So that's how you get items from a dictionary. You use the key. Okay. Now moving to the next, as you can see, you can assign. As you can see, we have a dictionary here. We change the name value to Deborah. We change the age value to 30 by using the key age. As you can see, it's 45. We change the verified value to true. Now, as you can see, when we print it out, you can see the changes. Now, what do? We change var3, the level. We add new values. We add level which is 3. We add a new key access code, which, so this is what I say when we say a dictionary is mutable, which means you can add new items to the dictionary. So as you can see, we are adding departments, red team. So if you print this dictionary now, you're gonna see that the name have changed to Deborah. The age is now 30. The let's see, what do we change again? Verified is now true. Remember, verified was false when we created the dictionary, as you can see here. Verified is false, but since we have changed the value of verified to true here, now we added new level, access code, departments, we added new keys, which, as you can see, this is the old dictionary, but you can see this is the new dictionary. This is the output of the dictionary now. The same dictionary, but we have added new stuff there, like access level and department, which was not there. Verified, we change it to true. So you can change items in a dictionary. So you can change items in a dictionary as you want, you understand? So you can even start with an empty dictionary and you start adding new keys there. We add the key name, we set the value to Stefan, key age 30, verified false, 404 false, and we added a lot inside the dictionary. This empty dictionary, now if you print this dictionary, you see initially it was empty, but now you see it has all our key value pairs which we added. So dictionaries are mutable. You can always change it. Now you can also delete keys. If you want to delete a value, delete its key. Now we are deleting the key 4, deleting the key 2, deleting the key true, and we print out the dictionary. See, all those keys are no longer there again. Now we just have name, age, and verified. As you can see, false is not there again, and we have other stuff like true is not there again, and this 2, 4 is not there again. This 2, 4 for validated is not there again. We deleted it here, as you can see, 2, 4. We deleted the 4 key. We did that, this one. We deleted this, so this false value is not there, and we deleted the true. So as you can see, this is what is left in the dictionary. Now, if you try to add two dictionaries together, you're going to get an error. You can't use the concatenation operator or dictionary. If you try to use index operator, you can't use it because instead it's going to look for the key 0, not the first item, or what, like it works with dictionary and list. Instead, it's going to look for the key 0, which does not exist. Here we have only the key name and the key age. So it's going to tell you it does not find key error. You can't find the key 0. Now, if you try to use the repetition operator with dictionaries, you're going to have an error. So I hope you learned a lot from this video about dictionaries. The next video, we are going to look at something else. See you and have a beautiful day.